Hey guys, for today's video, I'm teaching you how to make an easy origami fortune teller. It's so easy, you'll love it. So first, you've got to have a square paper. Then you have to fold it in half like this, and then fold it again so it becomes a small square. It's a small square now. Then after that, crease it well and then open it. And you've got these lines. And it's okay if that mark still comes from your square. Then you have to fold these bits into cubes, just like this. One done. 3 more to go. So like these, you have to fold them. So let's do the other ones. Yes, I'm done all of them. You can pause the video if you find it difficult. Then you just have to turn it back, flip it over, and you'll get this plain thing. And you have to do the exact same thing. You have to make these you have to fold these parts. I've already done 2 like this. You have to do the same thing the other side. And there you go. You've got this now. These pieces. And the back will be like this. After that, you just have to go back where this is here. And then fold it like this. So you have a better thing. Here, look. You have to fold it this side. And then in the other side, you already have this thing, and it's easier to do it. Now put your hands in this and do the same thing the other side, and then hold it like this, fold it a little, and voila, you've got your fortune teller. And now it's done. Wasn't that simple? You could just color it here, and inside you could write the fortunes. And then you could be like, color, which color do you choose? Number, which number do you choose? It's really easy, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye.